Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So there is a new update in Instagram message. We can say Instagram DM. So normally we see as a message request, or for some people, general primary message request. So now you can organize this. You can keep a multiple folders like message, request, like the people who are replying from your story message, story reply, the name will be something like that, or other people who have replied, who are a verified account. For that you will get a different folder from the business, from the your channel. So from the different source you can keep it in a different folder. So how this feature looks, I will show you in my mobile screen. So open your Instagram account and I will go to a message section here. You can see it's primary, general and request. It will depend upon your profile. So here you can see the arrow icon is there. Just click on this one and there is a last option as folder. Click on this one. So here you can select the list of folders you want to see it in your profile. For example, I will select multiple: unread, story, reply, verified profile, business, and I will click on save. Now you will see I will have unread folder here, story, reply, verified, business. So you will see there are multiple folders now. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.